Nandyan din si Babalina Amy Marcos na nagpapakalat ng agitprop propaganda tungkol sa assassination plot at parang konektado iyon sa mga pinagsasabi sa harap natin ni Barzaga kagabi tungkol sa mass assassination plot habang nakangisi sila.
Who are the targets?
We're still checking.
So are you trying to turn this into a political crisis moment to try to destabilize the government?
What do you mean?
Are you trying to capture this moment, yung Bato de la Rosa ICC arrest issue, or trying to exploit this? Is
If
what I
this
mean.
is an ICC arrest issue, then there would not be gunfire within the Senate grounds because he cannot be arrested while the Senate is in session.
So whatever.
Gaya rin ng mga DDS lawyers na ito na napansin din ng media ang tila matagumpay nilang mga ngiti.
Kaya nga, ang theme of the day namin ngayon is no comments, di ba, brother?
We have to invoke our confidentiality to your client.
Sir, kahit yung presence lang, minsan ba ito?
Sabi sir,
Lawyer client po, lawyer client.
Dito, tumanggi si Attorney Israelito Torreon na magbigay ng detalye kung nasaan si Bato. Attorney-client privilege daw, but his constant grinning as if he won a multi-million-dollar case combined with his denials and evasiveness shows they know something, that Bato de la Rosa is in a safe place.
We will be fully transparent. I'm waiting for the report. Ka-text ko si Secretary Remulla. Give me maybe 2 hours, then we will give you a full briefing, okay?
At ang bagong liderato ng Senado under 10,000 Alan Peter Cayetano, it's all deflection and the same kind of evasion.
It was a terrible night. I don't have all that information yet. Let me verify it. What you heard, yun din narinig ko.
It was a terrible night daw, as if kumbinsidong kumbinsido siya sa staged crisis kahapon.